Hi guys, and welcome to my channel, Julip's Garden. I live in North Carolina, zone 7B, and I wanted to bring you guys along on a recent trip I did to Walmart where I got some great gardening finds. Okay guys, I just found this pot for $10. I'm so excited. I'm gonna see if I can get some plants without spending too much to fill this container. Okay, we have some caladiums here at Walmart for $4.97. I really like the ones that are kind of green with just a hint of pink. Let's choose a good one. Okay, in she goes. Okay, I think I'm gonna add in another Japanese fern. These are $4.98 and it's gonna come back each year, so I think it's worth the investment. I think it wants to rain. Not yet. Okay, and last I'm gonna add this Super Bell's yellow calibrachoa for $5.97, and it's proven winners. So here with the pot included, we're spending about $25. That's great. So excited about my finds. So I have these terracotta pots for $5.94 for this bigger size. So this is the pot. It's called the Better Homes and Garden Benedict 13-inch planter. Love this beautiful detail. I can't believe this was only $10. Okay, so we're gonna be potting up this great Walmart find, and we're gonna be adding in some caladiums. They're so beautiful. I'm gonna be adding a Japanese painted fern, and we're gonna be adding this bright pop of yellow calibrachoas. So first I add a plant tone. This has been really helping all my plants get started really well. My caladium's gonna get the tallest. This is peppermint from the Better Homes and Garden, and it's gonna get to 18 inches tall, and it can do a part sun. Just perfect for, look at those roots. The great thing with caladiums too is you can save the bulb over winter and they'll come back the next year, but you have to protect them from the cold. Maybe needs a little bit more soil. Next is this Japanese painted fern. These come back every year and it's going to be able to get to 18 inches tall also. I'm going to put him on this side. Last is these proven winners calibrachoas. These were $5.97, also do part sun, and they're gonna get about 12 inches tall. They'll trail off the edge. These caladiums are just so beautiful. And here's the fern and my calibrachoas. Okay, so next up we're gonna pot up this double impatient. I got them for a really good price. It was like $3. This one does part sun to shade, and it's this beautiful salmon color. See the little bloom? And I have a lot of shade, so I grabbed this one. I'm gonna put them in this terracotta pot. It's also from Walmart. I think I paid $5 for the pot, $3 for the saucer. And I'm going to just add in some water to this soil because it was sitting out in the sun. And you want your soil to be slightly moist so it doesn't repel water. Start off like always, adding our plant tone. And this one will be so simple, but yet this will fill in beautifully here. Wow, look at these roots. So she doesn't have very many blooms right now, so I bet you in about 2 weeks she'll be all flushed out. Alright guys, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for your support on my channel. And like always, if you enjoy my content and you want to keep seeing what gardening finds I come across and a little bit of my garden, please make sure to like and subscribe. Bye.